Hello and welcome. Today we're delving into two powerful concepts shaping the future of AI. Generative AI, known for creating content, and Agentic AI, designed to act, plan, and perform tasks autonomously. Generative AI, often abbreviated as Gen AI or GAI, refers to AI models like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney that generate new content in response to prompts. They generate outputs such as text, images, and artwork, and even code or music. They are reactive. They wait for input and then generate output. Examples include writing essays, designing artwork, coding recommendations, or composing music. Agentic AI takes things several steps further. It refers to systems that autonomously plan, decide, act, and adapt, pursuing goals with minimal human supervision. They orchestrate multi-step workflows, integrate with external tools, and adapt to changing conditions. They're proactive, not passive. Agentic systems can pursue goals with minimal human supervision. Let's compare them side by side. Core function. Gen AI creates content from prompts, while Agentic AI plans and executes tasks autonomously. Reactivity. Gen AI is reactive, needs specific prompts. Agentic AI is proactive and often requires less direct guidance. Examples of Gen AI: ChatGPT, image synthesis tools, code writers. Agentic examples: robot scheduling, autonomous customer support, and workflow agents. To sum up, Gen AI is all about creation, making text, images, or code when asked. Agentic AI is about action, autonomously achieving objectives and managing tasks. Interestingly, Agentic AI often leverages generative AI as a building block. For instance, an agent might generate text or code, then use that output to take further action like sending emails or coordinating systems. Frontline workers, in healthcare, retail, and manufacturing, stand to benefit from AI that can sense, decide, and act autonomously. In enterprises, Agentic AI helps turn feedback into personalized, real-time actions, like customer service, dynamic scheduling, or team management. Brands and media are exploring digital concierges, Agentic AI that filters and negotiates on users' behalf. Agentic systems can boost productivity by automating multi-step tasks. Concerns include bias and alignment, transparency and auditing, and legal accountability as agents act autonomously. Let's recap. Generative AI creates, responds to prompts. Agentic AI acts, plans, reasons, and executes. Agentic AI often builds on generative AI. Its rise brings productivity gains and important ethical oversight and legal considerations. Thanks for watching. See you next time.